First come first, we'll be starting with the Achievers of the Year award. These achievers will be from different divisions, different backgrounds, different verticals. To begin with, we would first of all like to call upon Deepak Yadav, General Manager, Business Development, Frank Corp. Second on the list is Tuhina Bhatreen, AVP Consulting, Frank Corp. On the list is Shalini Sharma, DGM Events Division. Next, I would like to call upon Dinesh Kumar from the Design Team, Events Division. Dinesh. Next, I would like to call upon Sanjeev Vashist, Senior Manager, Events Division. Come on, Sanjeev. Next, I'd like to call upon Punita Sabharwal, Assistant Editor, SME. The next one on my list is Benny Sajdeva, Assistant Editor, TFW. The next Achiever of the Year is Utpal Panda, Assistant Manager, Business Opportunity Shows. Probably we can have somebody else from Utpal team. The next Achiever of the Year, the 10th one on my list is Nidhi Ahuja, Manager HR, FIHL. The next Achiever of the Year goes to Himi Bangia, Assistant Digital Manager, Engage. The 12th one on my list for Achiever of the Year award goes to Pradeep Tripathi, Manager, FranchiseIndia.com. Well, that was the first session of the award ceremony. We probably kept it, or should we go on? Okay. All right. The next one on the list is Karan Gosher, Manager Events, FIHL. The next Achiever of the Year award goes to Mantesh M. Patil, DGM Sales, FIHL. The next one on the list is Asta Malik, Senior Manager, Business Development, FIBL. The next Achiever of the Year award goes to Anshu Arora, Category Head, Brand Servicing, FIBL. Next, I would like to call upon Sahil Arya, Senior Manager, Investor Acquisition, FIBL. Next, I would like to call upon Sandeep Soni, Manager Investor Acquisition, FIBL. Now I would like to call upon Sanchali Rai, Manager Business Development, FIBL. And the next Achiever of the Year award goes to Pankaj Sharma, Regional Marketing Head, FIBL.
The next one is Achiever Karthik from Bradford. Over to you, Karthik.
Well, एक कहावत है वो केक वाली क्या होती है, you can have it and have it as well. I don't know, but I think it kind of became like that. Oh yes, absolutely. Thank you so much, sir. Wow, it feels nice. Great. Now, of course, we had a couple of late entries, and therefore we will be probably sharing the certificates of the best achievers. We couldn't get the trophies for. I would like to call upon Arpit Gupta, Assistant Manager, Investor Servicing. The next one on the list is Rahul Bhagat, Project Manager, Brand Servicing. The next one for the Achiever of the Year award goes to Aditya Mishra, Assistant Manager, Investor Acquisition. These were what we call the awards, which probably are at a certain level. And of course, we all are, working under certain bosses, seniors, mentors. So there is another category of awards. And to begin with, the first one is the Employer of the Decade Award. I would like to call upon Mrs. Ashna Sharma, CEO, Events Division, to come up and collect her stick.
I would really like to thank Gaurav sir and Sachin and the opportunity given to me. It's been 9 years and over 100 shows I've done, and it's a great achievement. Thank you very much, sir.
The next Achiever of the Year / Support Division of the Year Team Award goes to the Tech Team. Tech Team, can we have you on the stage, please?
Thank you so much, Gaurav sir and Sachin sir. We are support team, but obviously we are the pillar of the company. All technology, we are. Actually, I know all the employees. We talk over phone only. We don't know each other, but always everyone is calling to me my EB is abhi jana hai, and all the things emails are not working or any other things so every day they are calling to me only. So my tech team is supporting team.
Special time, we had this our server issue, and it was a very difficult time. I am not too much into technology, but it was a years of work which was on risk, and these guys, especially him, I think he's done a fabulous job. These are moments we cannot forget. They stay with us.
The next one on my list is the team for the best service. I would like to call upon the Investor Services from FIBL to come on the stage.
It's been great. Yeah, it's almost 8 months, and it's a great journey. As a part of investor servicing team, always being catered by Nitika ma'am, and I got the support from my seniors like Sweta. So it's almost a great journey.
I'm being with this organization since 2 months, and being an MT, it's my first job, and it's a great learning experience. My head always support me for whatever I do, and I really look forward that I'll do very well, and think that I'll be achieve some award next year, this day.
It's been a fantastic experience over the last 2 months. We've been working very aggressively, and like I rightly said before, we are looking at some big ticket conversions, and the team is there to support us. Thank you, everybody.
Next is a big award. This is the Team of the Year award, and I would like to call upon the stage the Forums team.
I think this is a very, very great moment for all of us, because all of them are very young, as I said in the morning. They're 26, 27 years of age. And being so young, everybody is so responsible and mature that they are doing a wonderful job.
I really want to thank Gaurav sir and Sachin sir for acknowledging with this award. And we are still young and we have a lot to do, and hoping for the best for the coming years.
I don't participate too much in the forums, but hats off to what Pritima is doing and everybody else is contributing that. They do really good quality shows. I'm really proud of what we do there, because at this stage it's not about, as I mentioned earlier, it's not about how much you do, but how well you do it. So they do a really, really good job. Congratulations.
Now, probably we left with the 3 heavyweight awards, and I've probably not done this before, but I'm sure next time will be much easier. The next one is the Business Leader of the Year. This is a very Business Leader of the Year. One, being leader is very, very important, and being Business Leader of the Year further makes it even more important. I would like to call upon Sonia ma'am to come on the stage and collect award for Business Leader of the Year.
Not much. I would like to thank Gaurav sir to really bring this leader out in me. Thank you.
The next one on the list is the Editor's Choice Knowledge Award. I would like to call upon none other than Mr. Joseph Mathai. आप बिना बोले कैसे जा सकते हैं? आपसे तो सीखा है.
I don't deserve this award, but thank you for giving it to me.
Well, this is a big one, and I'm really honored to actually call for this award. This is actually the Chairman's Choice Award, and I would like to call upon no other but my pretty looking boss, Chitra Jori. A word for motivation for your madam, teammate, probably next time, third or probably 10 years down the line, we could be in the queue.
We've already got an award today. So thank you so much, sir. It's an honor. Thank you.
So, thank you so much, sir. Thank you for coming on the stage. Would you like to give a last message of motivation? Right. Thank you so much.